Blockchain and crypto legal advisors versus traditional financial regulatory counsel. Which one is better for tokenized businesses? Most people assume that traditional financial lawyers can handle all regulatory matters for tokenized businesses. A surprising truth is that blockchain ventures operate in a legal and technical environment that is radically different from conventional finance, and choosing the right advisor can make or break your project. Blockchain and crypto legal advisors specialize in the unique regulatory frameworks that govern digital assets, token offerings, and decentralized platforms. They understand smart contracts, initial coin offerings, and the intricacies of token classification across jurisdictions. For example, a company launching a security token must comply with securities regulations, anti-money laundering rules, and cross-border restrictions, areas where crypto-legal specialists provide tailored guidance. Their expertise is both technical and regulatory. Traditional financial regulatory counsel, on the other hand, excels in advising established financial institutions, such as banks or investment funds, on compliance with conventional financial laws. They provide advice on licensing, reporting, and consumer protection obligations within familiar frameworks. While their experience is invaluable for traditional finance, tokenized assets often present novel challenges, such as decentralized governance, cross-chain transactions, and digital custody issues that fall outside standard regulations. The key difference is familiarity with innovation versus adherence to established systems. Blockchain legal advisors understand emerging technologies and evolving regulations, while traditional counsel ensures compliance with existing financial law. Most successful tokenized businesses combine both approaches. Crypto specialists guide structure and launch, while regulatory counsel ensures overarching legal alignment. The takeaway is clear: navigating the regulatory landscape of tokenized businesses requires specialized expertise. Relying solely on traditional financial lawyers can result in missed nuances, delayed launches, or regulatory scrutiny. The surprising truth is that businesses integrating blockchain-focused legal advice with broader financial compliance support achieve faster market entry, mitigate risk, and secure investor confidence. In the world of tokenized assets, expertise in innovation is just as critical as experience in law.